Hello people, how are you today? This is Julino, and today I want to teach you how you can make money by designing. Okay, so before we start, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press like if you like my video, and don't forget the bell so you will be always notification come upon you when I ever put a new video. So let's start to the video that I want to speak about. Today I want to give you the best thing that is going on today, to sell things by designing. You don't have to be a designer, you don't have to make yourself a design. It's also for beginners and for professionals. So also, if you want to design a good design, a fashion design or whatever, you can go to Fiverr, you can go to SEO Clerks and a lot more sites that you can buy a design and made it by your name, and then you can sell it. You're asking yourself, what can I sell by designs? Okay, what I want you to understand is I want you to understand that we want to sell clothes, okay, t-shirts, in two sites that I will give you today. Site number one, a lot of people know, that's called Teespring. Okay, I will not make any designing now to show you how it works or things like this, but I want to tell you that is one of the sites that is the best or biggest sites that ever you can made design by it and sell it, and you don't have to pay any fees or things like this, because when you sell something, let's say this t-shirt for something like $37, okay, something like this, and we'll say that it's sold one time, okay. The site is going to make the clothes, the t-shirt. The site is going to send it to the person that buy it, and the site will get feeds by the payment that the buyer give to you, okay, by $37, maybe $3-4 for the feeds for the site, okay. So you don't have to pay anything. The feeds will be taken from the payment that the buyer will pay you for it, okay. You have here lots of stuff. You can make clothes, socks, phone cases, accessories, and a lot of things. You have to be you have to log in to start. So if you are not you don't have a user here, you can sign up and for free. That is site number one, okay. Site number two, also a lot of people know about it, redbubble.com, okay. This is a site, also a design. Again, you don't have to be a designer. Also, this method worldwide and for beginners and pro, okay. So you also here have to sign up, and then you will make a design by yourself by designing clothing, stickers, phone cases, wall art, and a lot more things. Again, if you don't know how to design, this is the solution for you, okay. Fiverr is one of the best solution there is, okay. Let's say we'll search something like print on demand, and you will see lots of stuff, okay. You also can design sneakers, and I will show you why I am saying sneakers. So let's see here. You can see here the things that sell by 217 shekels. That's something like $70, thing like this, or something like $25. It's great stuff to sell. So you can see this is how you can make money for free and fast. And again, it's also you can make free by yourself any design that you want if you know how to make a design. If you don't know how to make a design, this is one of the solutions that you have. And you have also sites like SEO Clearx. This is a great site. Now, why I said sneakers, I will show you now the trick that I have learned, and I will teach you that you have to search about things that is not really working, not really not real sellers. What I mean, there are not a lot sellers for these items, like example, print on demand sneakers. So you can see here again, I will create pillow profits design or other similar for sneakers. So you can see for sneakers you can also make a design. Again, you can buy it, you don't have to design it to sell it, okay? You can buy a design and make it by a Teespring or a Redbubble, and then make a sell. What is keeping you now not to sell is one thing is the traffic. Now also the traffic, you can make it for free or you can make it by money, by Fiverr or SEO Clearx and another places that you can make traffic. Free by social media, you can share it on Pinterest, you can share it on YouTube, you can share it on Facebook ads and a lot more things. There are ads for free that you can make, there are ads for money that you have to pay for. And I make a traffic by buying traffic from Fiverr. Sometimes I made that gig by myself and I'm selling it sometimes. Not this gig, but I'm selling a gig like it for eBay. I will promote 2000 Human USA targeted traffic to your web or blog site, things like this. This is one of mine, so you can see I have here also for eBay, gig for eBay. Here you can see, and here you can see two things that I really like to sell, and I started with this not far away, and I'm selling it 2 times here 4 times, and I got 5 stars for every one. And what do I made by it? I let people pay me something like $10 or $25 or $20, and I pay for this service to make it for the other people that buy it from me only $1. So I am earning here something like $14 to $20 freely, and that just by making traffic to eBay traffic, to Amazon traffic, Shopify traffic, website traffic, and for blogs and a lot more. Here I also made a new gig to promote websites or anything else for people's on Pinterest. Not only my Pinterest, or a lot of Pinterest that I have by far for friends, and that's the way also you can get traffic in a low price, or you can go to SEO Clearx and get traffic for $1. Okay, for $1, that's almost free. So that's what I wanted to tell you about how you can do traffic and what you can sell for free without to put a dime, for free. Just sign in, start designing t-shirts or whatever you want, or your pictures on cups, sneakers like I said, and a lot more things, and make money for free. So this is all for now. I wish you liked my video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe below. Leave a comment if you want to know, if you have to ask something about this, or you need help, or you want me to make you a video about something else that you want to learn about. Please leave a comment below and I will answer you quickly as possible. And don't forget the bell so you can always be updated, and press like if you like my video. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.